Good afternoon, everyone. My topic for today is adverbs, classes, comparisons, special uses, suggestion, and cautions. Learning outcomes. Students should be able to identify the name and name three different types of adverbs, such as adverbs of manner, place, and time. Students should demonstrate the ability to form and use comparative and superlative forms of adverbs properly. Students should identify and understand at least two special or unusual uses of adverbs beyond standard cases. The three classes of adverbs. Adverbs of time. This indicate when an action occurs. Example, yesterday, now, or later. Adverbs of place. This specify where an action takes place. Example, here, there, everywhere. Adverbs of manner. This describe how an action is performed. Example, quickly, slowly, carefully. Compare adverbs correctly. To compare adverbs, use more for most adverbs and er for some short adverbs. For example, he ran faster than her. Another example is she spoke more quietly than him. The two special adverb uses. Intensifiers, adverbs that strengthen the meaning of another word. Example, very, really, extremely. Another example is, the movie was very interesting. Sentence adverbs. Adverbs that modify the entire sentence, expressing an attitude or opinion. Example, however, certainly, unfortunately. Example is certainly I will help you. Suggestion and caution. Use adverbs to add detail to their sentences. Example, he ran quickly instead of he ran. Practice changing adverbs from one form to another. Example, fast, faster, or fastest. Caution. Not to confuse adverbs with adjectives. Example, he ran quick is incorrect. It should be he runs quickly. Not all adverbs end in ly. Example, fast is an adverb but does not have ly. I have two questions here. Number 1, how do adverbs of time, place, and manner differ in their function and placement within a sentence? And can you provide an example of each? Question number 2, what are the rules of comparing adverbs and how do you determine whether to use more or er when forming comparative and superlative adverbs? That's all for my report. Thank you and